Imagine a world stripped of modern conveniences, where the once familiar hum of electricity and the constant chime of digital communication have all but faded. How would humanity navigate such a global apocalypse? The answer lies in understanding the importance of communication and energy supplies. First and foremost, the priority in any survival situation, apocalyptic or otherwise, is establishing a reliable form of communication. It's the lifeline that connects individuals, communities, and potentially, the remnants of governments. In the absence of traditional networks, alternatives such as shortwave radios, satellite phones, and even old-school methods like smoke signals and Morse code become invaluable. Remember, communication isn't just about sending messages, it's about receiving them too. The second priority is securing a sustainable energy supply. In a world where traditional power grids have failed, alternative energy sources become the lifeblood of survival. Solar power, wind energy, and hydroelectric power are all viable options that can be harnessed with the right knowledge and equipment. Even the heat from a simple fire can be used to generate electricity with a thermoelectric generator. Thirdly, it's important to understand the need for redundancy in both communication and energy supplies. In an apocalypse, there's no room for single points of failure. Having multiple communication methods and energy sources not only increases the chances of survival but also provides a safety net in case one method fails. Lastly, but by no means least, is the need for knowledge and skills. Knowing how to operate a ham radio or build a solar panel from scratch could mean the difference between life and death. It's the knowledge and skills that turn tools and equipment into valuable resources. In summary, surviving a global apocalypse requires a clear understanding of the importance of communication and energy supplies. Prioritize establishing a reliable form of communication, securing a sustainable energy source, and creating redundancy in both. Equally crucial is the acquisition of knowledge and skills to utilize these resources effectively. Remember, it's not the strongest or the most intelligent who survive an apocalypse, but those most responsive to change.